Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to seamlessly integrate Google Fonts with Tailwind CSS. So let's dive right in. Google Fonts is a fantastic library of free licensed font families, and Tailwind CSS is a highly customizable utility-first CSS framework. Custom fonts can add uniqueness and personality to your website, enhancing user experience and engagement. So very first thing is that we will open the browser and navigate to the Google Fonts website to find our desired font. So let's begin. Here you can explore thousands of fonts. Let's check out the different styles, font weights, and type our own text for quick preview. If you are new to Tailwind CSS, think of it as a toolkit for building super fast and customer user interfaces. Its utility-first approach allows for rapid development without leaving your HTML. For this tutorial, I will start from a fresh project that already has Tailwind installed in it and running. But if you don't have it already installed, then you can follow my other tutorial that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel that you can follow and learn how to install Tailwind CSS. So let's begin. So from here, let us pick some interesting font. Okay, let us try this font. So I have clicked on that font, and after that you have to select the size for the font so you can test as well. So for this font, the size is 400, that is only available. So now click on this import and click on this copy icon and go back to your project. So for me, this is my project that is currently running. It is totally empty. So in the CSS file, you have to add this line. So I will remove this one and add it here. After that, copy the name of the font that you want to use. So I have copied that. Now it's time to add our custom font to our Tailwind configuration. For that, open the Tailwind configuration file, and in the extend object, type the font family, and here you need to add the name of the font, whatever you want to pick. So for example, I want to use custom. You can name it anything else if you want to, and then add an array as the value, and here you need to paste the font that you want to add. So I think we should manually fix it, otherwise it can format automatically in VS Code. Anyways, so now as we have added our custom font, it's time to test it. So first of all, I will add an heading, hello world, and let's see. So by default, this is how it will look. I'm going to add some styling. So flex justify center and item center. Okay, and H screen. All right, now it is in the middle. Now I will increase the font size. For that, I will add text 4XL, and now add font. Here you can see the suggestion that custom font is available that you can pick. Select it, and now you can see that font has been changed. You can increase the font size further, for example 9XL, and text purple or whatever you prefer. And now let us add another font very quickly and see how it works. So let's suppose you want to try the handwriting. So search for the handwriting. By the way, you can add your custom text here to preview it. So for example, I want to test on hello world. It will preview all of the fonts on that text. So here you can find the classification as well. So if you click on that handwriting, it will show you only those fonts that are using handwriting style. So let us try this one. Again, you just need to select the font, and after you have done that, click on this small icon and go to the import and copy this line. And you can keep that one as well if you want to. You can add an extra import, and now copy both of these names. Actually, it is showing all of the font family names that you have selected so far. So if you don't want the old one, you can just remove it. So yeah, we have to fix it. Copy the correct one and paste here. Okay, now copy this font family name and go back to the Tailwind config and paste it here. Or you can keep it, you can add an extra font. So and you can give it any name again. Okay, so now if you go back here, instead of custom, if you type E, you will get the suggestion with the name of extra that you just added. And now you can see that the new font is applied. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit that like button, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Drop any question in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.